friends, ever go through your paper stack and find an entire page design you can't really use? Let's make a page with it. Hi there, it's Erica from CaliforniaLucky. As I was mentioning earlier, sometimes you get whole page designs and you don't really know what to do with it, so let's cut it up. But instead of cutting it apart, let's cut into it and actually use it as the foundation for our page. I fussy bladed most of it off camera and saved the best for you, at least in my opinion, the weeding. Now my whole vision for this page is to hopefully remove all the white space, take a 6x6 photo back into the page so the title's overlaying it. Here I have a photo of my husband and I dancing at our wedding, super cute. It was a really fun day. And I think I cut it pretty close to the 6x6 dimensions, so hopefully this works. I think I'm just gonna back it with some washi tape. This washi tape in particular is brought to you by Paper Dolls Productions' launch of the This Is Us collection, which celebrates diversity and inclusion. If you want to check it out, thisisus.org. I have a discount code below. So when I examined the overlaying title, I noticed that I did have to make some adjustments. So I took my Glossy Accents glue, which I'm trying to use the very last of it before I try the Nuvo glue. So if you've tried it, let me know in the comments which one you love better. And I don't know if you noticed, but I actually have a metal nail file that I save for whenever there are particularly rough edges of paper. It works like a charm. I couldn't really decide whether I should keep the two dots over the J and the I, but I ended up keeping them because I felt that it further defined the letters for what they were. I dug back into the same paper stack and I saw these badges and I really wanted to cut some out to add some pizzazz to the layout. Now, a little bit of background story on our wedding. We actually had probably the most laid-back event. We just had our closest friends and family and a taco margarita bar. Oh, one of my hacks here for foam mounting tape is I cut a hole on the side so I can go ahead and just pull out as much as I need so I don't have to end up rolling it 10,000 times. I've backed all of the badges with it and later decided I needed a fourth badge up at the top, but there's a bit of blue fern crossing over that badge, so I had to carefully fussy blade that little blue fern out at you guys. My heart was thumping. It was very precarious during this time. I really thought I was gonna lose Mr. Fern, but thankfully he is safe. Then I dug back into the paper pad and I took another cut apart for some journaling and also fussy bladed that little blue fern down at the bottom. In my mind, this kind of tricks the mind a little bit, brings a little bit of mystery and allure. Ooh, are those 3D embellishments or are they just part of the paper? You don't know. Anyways, while I'm on this fancy train, I decided to use these really cute pearls I've been hanging on to for at least a couple of years, or as long as I've been scrapbooking. Added some navy blue sequins, and then also these really cute orange epoxy dots all around just to mimic the patterns of the flowers. And after that, it's just finishing touches, adding some journaling and adding some doodads and sparkles, and then my date stamp, which I'm always terrified to commit to. I don't know why. But this is the page. I'm going to show you the finished product in a second. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching. I hope I inspired you today and have a beautiful day.